Just got another pack of tiles. We've had a little bit of rain for the past couple of days. It's been good because, boy, has the grass been dry. Crunching under your feet as you walk. I checked my height because there's no cornice going in this bathroom. It's called square set. It's all going to be square set, so I cut it neatly to the ceiling, and I'll be cutting off about 25 mil. Which is good. I haven't got a clip. I need a clip in that end. Whooshka. Alright, I'll come back to you soon, people. We'll see you soon.